Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Realme C25Y smartphone. Okay, this is helpful for those who have forgot their password. Okay, to do hard reset, first power off your smartphone. Slide down to power off. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold power and volume down key together like this. Just press and hold it. And now release. So you can see no command. Okay, now press power and volume up key. Okay, here you can see it will send you in Android recovery mode. Now volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. Okay, now here go to wipe data factory reset and confirm. So here you can see wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. Okay, now go to factory data reset and confirm. So you can see wiping data, formatting data. So you can see data wipe complete. Okay, now select reboot system now. So guys, after hard reset it might take some time to boot up the device. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Realme C25Y smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have inquired related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for latest updates.